Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to discuss one typical problem on centroid of plane composite figures. You see, locate the centroid of the plane area for this is a rectangle, and from this rectangle circular area is deducted. For rest of the part, this part we have to find out the centroid. Now the total height of the rectangle is 500 and width is 200 plus 150, that is 350. And radius of the circle is 100. So what I will do, first I will take the total rectangle and then will deduct for the circle. This will be the logic to solve this numerical problem. Now for a rectangle, you know, this is the rectangle and this is a coordinate system. This is the origin, y-axis, this is x-axis. So area will be 350 into 500. So 17,500 will be the area, and x coordinate will be half of 350, x coordinate 175, y coordinate will be half of 500, that is 250. You can take a1 x1 right here, you can take a1 y1 right here, and then for circle, you see, for circle, if you remember, you see, circle, this is the circle. What is a y coordinate for this? You see, circle is symmetrical about this, centroid of the circle is center, so y coordinate will be 300 and x coordinate will be 150. That you should understand. Area of the circle will be pi r square. So x coordinate, as I told, 150, y coordinate is 300. Again take a2 x2 right here, a2 y2 right here, and area of the circle is deducted, that's why it is negative. So these two values, this will be negative, this value also will be negative. So when I will take a1 plus a2, this will be a1 minus a2 and you will get this value. Similarly, a1 x1 minus a2 x2, you will get this value. Similarly, a1 y1 minus a2 y2, you will get this value. And then finally, you will get this a1 plus x1 minus a2 x2 will be 306.25 into 10 raised to 5. Total area a1 minus a2, it comes 143,584.1. If you calculate this, you will get x coordinate 213.28 mm. Similarly, y coordinate, this area will remain as it is, a1 y1 minus a2 y2, you will get 343.3 into 10 raised to 5. You find out this on your calculator, you will get y coordinate is 239.09 mm. So you practice this type of problems so that in final examination or when you will go to higher classes, you see, we need this centroid even in your strength of material in second year, when you will go for RCC, design of steel structures, design of reinforced structures, design of distressed concrete structures. Unless you have a clear-cut idea of this centroid, it is not possible, and that's why you take it seriously. For civil and mechanical engineering, these topics or this entire engineering mechanics, it is very important, and you should pay more attention on this particular subject, and this will help you everywhere. You see, in competitive exams, if you go through the competitive exams, any competitive exams like MPSC, UPSC, IAS, minimum 20 marks questions are reserved for this particular subject, and it is very interesting and challenging, and we are with you. In case if you have any difficulty, any problems, you can contact or you can discuss or you can raise whatever your queries in the lectures also. There is no problem. Thank you.